Here at the People's Park, Rizal Shrine. Thank you. Morning. Yes, sir.
Muna clinic ni Rizal, ma'am.
Ah, it's said to be the clinic of Rizal. This house? Seventh house. Aha man ang first and second. Main house. Wow. This was paid by Rizal of 18 pesos only.
16 hectares.
16 hectares of land for 18 pesos. Yee.
Dili si Rizal Excel upat ka tuig kumbaga house arrest kanang preso kabalo.
House arrest shop or preso caballero.
Then ophthalmologist man to siya kanang doktor guys.
Ah, so he was an optal.
Nag-CR po sila. Kung mangita na ka, tingnan naman, nag-CR sila.
Okay, thank you.
Yung ko diya kaban ni Rizal. Pero dagat hindi po pagpalit ni Rizal mo ning clinic elevated yang clinic.
Ah, kay dagat man.
Urap ni Greek clinic.
Okay.
Ang height ni Rizal 3.
Ah, 5'3" lang siya.
5'7" ma'am, estimated na siya ma'am.
Ah, so this one is 5'7" height? Unsa man nga house?
Museum ni Rizal ma'am bago
Ah, that's the museum.
1997 na yung lamisa Greenberg.
Pwede yung picture niya, ma'am. Dali mo si Rizal.
Picture ko, Rizal.
Picture na yung cellphone mo.
Okay. Hold on. Ako sa video ko ning. Yeah.
Hindi ko flight sa Busan. Urban season na sa.
Order of the Knights. Okay.
Yung pala sa YMCA, Young Men's Christian Association of the Philippines.
YMCA. Okay.
Yung pala sa sa tulong mo sa logo sa Mason kay Premison mo na si Rizal.
Ah, so he was. Okay,
Gasa sa
Mason.
Madrid. 1893. Castellans number 9.
Wow. Di ba na siya balay sa UK?
Sa sa Hong Kong mo kay dito na siya nag-clinic.
So, muna ilang logo. This one.
Star.
Okay. That represents what?
Ano siya ba kanang game o God mo na siya mo.
I see. So, officers for Masonic
Dipolog lads.
year 5988. Okay. So, this is the whole place.
Kaning ko ma'am nanap na sa mga 75 years.
Wow, kani!
Pabili sa mangrove kuno kanang bitaog.
Bitaog. Okay. Ay, sa pa-picture the way ko ditong Rizal. So, this is the house or the clinic. It was originally made of kogon. Kogon roof.
Video na ka rin, ma'am.
Sige lang. Then this one,
Tugas ng mulabi.
tugas or molave. Molave made original pa ne.
Hindi na mag-change sa pero
Oh.
sa mga 85 years.
85 years old already. And this one,
Tugas ng mulabi gyapon.
banturang kuan kaayo. Hardwood. Molave. Casa Redonda. Okay. What does Redonda? Bahay na bilog.
Tagon house.
Ah, okay. And this
Spanish
one,
man siya.
Spanish din ang Redonda. Okay.
Di niya pinagipapuyo si Josephine Marakin gika.
Wow, diri niya gitago si Josephine Bracken. The girlfriend. Ah, sige, tiwasi ko no ko dire. Okay, musaka. I will go upstairs to the house, so I will be the Josephine Bracken today. Welcome! Welcome!
Distansya lang kami. Sige, up. Sunod. Ay, kag isumpot. Okay, dayon lagi ma'am. Atas gani ma'am. Red anak dito atras gabay. Anak. Tuyok dayon waras kamot. Anak yan. Okay.
See? So this was the, hindi siya palingkuran, so we can't sit down because it's already rotten a little. And is this the original
Replika
table?
na also ma'am.
Replika.
Replica. So most of the things here are already replica, especially that one.
Isa replika na pag kaban.
Kaban. We call it kaban. We have this at home
Kaban or
before during my
kaban.
mama's time.
Yes. Bitag mga banig habol.
but we
Yeah,
put
magamit.
our laundry or our
Kaban or baol.
dresses, our blankets.
Yes, ma'am. Kanina sir, ma'am, yung operating table.
Oh, this is the so replica lang din.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the replica of his operating table during his ophthalmologist time, or being a doctor in this place. So ganito din,
Oh, yes, ma'am.
an anak po.
Tayo yung mga gamit pang opera sa mata.
Wow!
So, dagan sa binta.
Bintana ta
Oh,
dire.
Sa obos, magdungaw ka, magdungaw. Na.
Di mo na ako sa obos mo, magdunga ka mo.
Tapos
We
sa
off
picture.
to the Casa Cuadrada. They call this Casa Cuadrada of one of the houses of Rizal. 18 houses? Okay. So one of the houses is the Casa Cuadrada, they call it. So we all know that Rizal is not only an ophthalmologist, he is also a teacher. So he teaches arithmetic or science or mathematics on this time. And what else gani, sir?
Science, algebra.
Plus the science and algebra.
Okay.
Mahulog na ko.
Okay, TikTok para walay cut.
Oh, ayaw ra. Okay ra to. That's okay. One money, rough money. So, direta.
Oh, picture ta.
Teacher.
Stop a swimming pool that is made of apple clay.
Yes, ma'am.
Apple clay, and it was mixed with egg white to put together. Okay?
Pero si Rizal, malasa yung mga 24 students, mga assistant ni Rizal. Yang katabang. So, kanang Rizal, yan ang Guardia Civil, pinakabutan niya Espanyol.
Ah, okay.
Si Captain Ricardo Carnero.
Alright.
Si katuloy sa tumaba yung mag-asawa sila, walay pangalan.
Okay.
So, karon medyo di kasi tinaw kay kuan man siya.
Because the water is very clean.
So,
So, kani mo yung gimin?
yes, ma'am.
Those ones.
Kani mo against ang tubig para mainom.
Hmm?
Para sa siya kanang spring water. Tubod man siya mo.
Oh, okay. Those are. So, mainom yun na siya. One and two rooms. That's the hospital of Rizal. That is where he will rest his patients. So, he got this. Imagine he was able to think about it during those times. So, amazing, right?
Muning kahoy ma'am, mga pinakaraan nga una pang Rizal 200 years.
Wow,
Existing.
Ginoo ko,
Para sa
Lord.
kanang baluno
So
diri.
dili muna siya pinaka-old balono. So dili na siya pwede duulon.
Yes ma'am, yes sa to sa dira tagi sa lip side.
Very well preserved.
So, muna ni balin niya sa ma'am, isa location.
Pero kung ano ni?
Kana ang renovated na every 6 years. Pero napay posting na bilin
So
original.
renovated meaning
Kung
the same size,
location, the same size, the same ihang dimension.
dimension. Dayong isan rag mga haligi.
Haligyo.
Salo.
Sa lago.
Kaya na may
Kaniyang muna kusina ni Rizal ma'am
kusina ni Rizal. Okay,
nakaseparate.
let's go to the kusina.
para iwas sunog. Ihang family kitchen.
So the kusina.
Replika na po na sa yung mga plato. Muna
These
sa
are
clay.
made of clay. Let's have some coffee.
Yeah.
Makita ra ba ko, sir?
Yes ma'am.
Picture, sir.